Hello guys, what's up? We are doing Fireworksmania. And if there's a lot of lag, please, I'm gonna fix it after like a lot of days. Cause I'm gonna get a gaming computer. This is just a working computer. I can't even have that big games in it. Like, I'm gonna get GTA 5. GTA 5! It's gonna be insane, bruh. Let's just go. Let's just start. Um. mm, Let's install some mods. I don't have like a billion mods in this game. We go collection. What do you mean? Oh, there. As I said, what do you mean no subscriptions? I got like a billion. I have every mod disabled. Yeah. Oh yeah, mod. That's a weird mod. Yes, I want that. To be that. For the channel pack. Big chunky socket like as platforms. Gonna search anyone? I don't even know. I'll search once. Here it is. I go then no, wait, no. Oh, I've done something. I don't know what am I doing. I promise this the lag will go. No, actually, I don't. Yeah, eventually. I don't even know where's mod. Where's mod? I don't even know mod question. I was searching my mod. So no, that yeah, just enable that. Enable these things. Please enable these things. There's also downloads. What is this? Oh here, plop. I don't even know. Plop plop. Okay, I'm just gonna. It's just a plop filled with fireworks. Yeah, 48 pages, and every page has 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Yeah, I have already done that one. I will subscribe to that one. You should download by subscribing. It says -1% there. What is that? Is it lying? Wait, I need to. It's only limited to 60. I was just seeing something. First game, no, first game, wait, what? No, first game is not sure. First game is not including this, but I'm not doing that. Because it's gonna, I know what happens when first game just goes to like zero, zero, yeah, like 0 pixels and then you can't even see anything. So yeah, you don't do the, nah, I'm just gonna start them. You got, I'm gonna down because the city is the most laggiest. That's why I'm not doing city, bro. It's gonna make my computer cry to sleep. Computers don't. Whenever you turn them off, that's technically sleeping, and then like full deep dreaming sleep is whenever you shut them down. One. Really, I have only 2 mods down, so it doesn't take a billion years to like load the mods in, but it's taking a billion years. There you go. Loaded. 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 Oh yeah. Here I am. You're working. We wait. Oh yeah, works. Sorry for the lag. Again. I'm gonna open up my firework here. Go to workshop. It's gonna I don't need props, but car lamp in drivable cars with a rocket engine. That's the first thing that came to my mind. That's the first thing that came to my mind. Let's just put on a police SUV. The police SUV. I got it. Police SUV. This is the back open. That's the back open. You can use it, but pick it up. I did it to this area. No, it doesn't open. But can you jump? Yes, you can. Wait. I got, I got something up my side. Enter command. I press D and player speed is coming from wait. Player speed value. The normal value is like 8 or something. What about like a billion? Let's just put it to like 100. Enter that in. It worked. The command worked. And I'm pretty far. I've never messed with the command because I think there's something gonna go down, and then I don't know what's the default. But I have no memory. And this is like when you hit shift, that's for running. I just slow down, like for like walking, and then boom, boom, the second landing. Like you stand both. Yeah. I'm learning so far. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it 10. 10 is enough. I'm gonna put it to 10. 10 is enough. Oh, that was an accident. Let me do that again. Let's do 10 now. So you're not gonna walk that fast, but you're walking pretty fast. Pretty fast. Yes, as we go control G. My FPS now. 5 it's running at 5 FPS. It's running at 5 FPS. What the? Okay, no, I can't say that. We have found we are something in this video. I'm not trying to be family friendly. That's why I'm not saying the words. I no. You don't know what's happening. 9 my FPS. I swear. If you're wondering why that, yes. Wait, can we stand on the rocket engine? Oh, way more FPS for some reason. Huh? FPS drops to like 0. You know what is that? Oh yeah, my FPS is better. FPS is actually way better. FPS is so good. 10 FPS new limit. Yeah, we're gonna just stand on the rocket engine right now. Rocket engine. put it like that. We got it. We, oh, we have to control. How do I'm standing. Oh, let's can get better than that. Resuming by clicking the screen, you deal and also this is tilting. I got another thing on my sleeve and the people down here. It's gonna be a way while till we go down. That's why, what should we do in the meeting? Time. What should we do in the time? I don't know. It's still going. The sound effect has gone away. There's the edge of the map. I got two things up my sleeve actually. Oh no. Oh, it disappeared. Whee! There's no damage you can get. There's like sandbox mode. You just can't take any damage or anything. What should we do now? I said I had something. I had two things on my sleeve. Physics tool. Also have my session. Take this. I don't know why it has like a floating piece on it. Stop it. Come on. Stop. I can't. This is a weird glitch in the game actually. You just do this. It thinks I'm lifting up that, but I'm actually lifting. It thinks I'm lifting up that. But then I'm going with it, that's why I'm lifting it up still, but then I'm going with it, that's why I'm going with it. Did you understand? No one understands what I said. It's not really different. Ow. Getting hurt in real life. Yeah. We are going to space. Pa 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 pa. Oh, what? We have freezed in the middle. Now we have like a platform we can be on. Freeze it and go forward. It's about to drop down and die. You're just gonna keep going up. Yep. They're not judging. And then other thing up my sleeve was this gigantic flamingo wheel. Whee! Oh no, we're gonna die. This is gigantic flamingo over here. It's the other thing up my sleeve. I have to climb up the mountain. The gigantic mountain of death. Let's go! Let's go! Can climb it up. And there's a weird glitch to climb it up, but I'm not using the glitch. Wait. It's snow! Come on! I can't just dig through the snow? Okay, I'm doing a weird jump. Why can't I talk anymore? Keep going up, and then there's snow. just go around. There's another option. Yeah, going around it is very much easier other option. And why was I just wasting my time trying to go around the snow? Oh, there is it. There it is. And it also says something. Here. Congrats! You have found a giant flamingo. Show the world your awesomeness. First, take a screenshot. Share it on Twitter using that hashtag Fireworkmania or discord.gg slash. I'm not saying that. Continue to be awesome. 3. I'll try and add more Easter eggs like this in the future. Happy face. And go back. We're going, and we have made it. We are going back to the lands. What happens when we go off the map? Because there's an edge to the map. The police comes to you. Actually, yeah, nothing happens. You just respawn. I'm gonna use it. Yeah. E to ride. Wait. Where's K? Where's K? The police is coming. The police is coming. Just come after this, man. J, police? Wait, K and J are the same. It's J. Okay, wait, that's insane. Okay. Right, L. Oh, I chosen. Vehicle controls of the spaces brake. Oh, good. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, see you later, see you.